Glyco Reset Drops are marketed as a supplement that supposedly balances blood sugar, improves glucose control, supports metabolism, and helps maintain healthy insulin function. But the real question is, does it actually regulate blood sugar? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in blood sugar supplements, such as cinnamon, chromium, berberine, bitter melon, or herbal extracts, have been studied for possible metabolic effects. But that does not automatically mean the final product delivers dramatic results. What it does well may contain ingredients with some research behind them. Certain ingredients used in glucose support products have shown potential for modest effects. Easy to add into a routine. Drops can be convenient and simple to take daily. Where the hype falls apart, it will not regulate blood sugar like medication. This is the biggest issue. Supplements should not be expected to work like prescribed treatments. Research can be mixed. Some ingredients show limited benefits, while others have inconsistent evidence. Results vary heavily between people. Diet, activity level, sleep, and overall health all play major roles. So, does Glyco Reset Drops actually regulate blood sugar? Short answer, possibly to a limited extent, but likely much less than the advertising suggests. It may provide some metabolic support depending on the ingredients, but expecting major blood sugar changes from drops alone is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.